How a weight-driven clock works in 60 seconds. A weight is attached to a cord. The cord is wrapped around a spool, so that as the weight pulls down on the cord, the spool is caused to rotate. The spool is attached to a gear, causing it to rotate. The gear meshes with a series of other gears, causing them to rotate. A pendulum moves back and forth. The pendulum is linked to an escape lever, so that as the pendulum moves back and forth, the escape lever rocks to and fro, alternately catching and releasing teeth of the escape wheel. The period of the pendulum, in combination with the ratios between the gear teeth, results in the gear attached to the hour hand going around once every 12 hours, and the one attached to the minute hand going around once per hour.